eternal life in hell. Why do you hate us? You hate God. You hate America. I pray that God protects us against you. You are ugly from the inside out, and you're evil. You're full of hate. Why don't you leave us alone, you ignorant bitch? Get the fuck out of our country, you traitor! Go to hell! You're not gonna get your legislation passed. We're gonna vote you out. No bitch!
This is what Donald Trump and Fox News and 24-hour news media and social media as a whole have done to this country. It is constantly pumping hatred and anger. The algorithms are trained to push us to hate each other. This is so sad to witness over and over and over again.